This week on Come Chat With Me, Art of LeJohn presents Dancehall Battle NYC. General elections were held in Grenada on March 13, 2018. Michelle leads NNP to historic victory in Grenada. Cajun crawfish in a baked potato with celebrity chef Patrick Simpson. What do men think about a woman proposing? We found out on Street Buzz, New York.